All right. Once again, it's showtime. Episode 23 of Jared Tries Trading. On our way to 100 episodes. Almost 1/4 of the way there. And I can't lie, I think these videos are really helping me. Just talking through my thought process and trying to make sense and seeing myself do dumb shit really helps. But I'm pleased to report today that we have our third green day in a row. Oh my 100% win rate. We hit our target relatively early, and today I think this video is going to be a little bit shorter. I closed the two swings from yesterday, RCL and DAL, on the first candle of the day. We had a nice gap up today, and right off the bat, I was up over $200 on the day. I didn't sleep well, had about 3 hours of sleep, and I almost didn't trade today because that could really, for me personally, it affects my trading and it affects my patience. But I wanted to still come in, get the screen time, and see what we can make of the day. And I'm glad I did because these swings worked out. But then the rest of the day, man, it's been boring as shit. So let's go over here and look at the market. Oh boy. Here's the daily, of course. This is what we've been waiting for, right? Just to get back to this SMA 100 region. And we had a nice gap up. And that's why the swings work so well. So good timing. Is it luck? I was going to be okay if we consolidated more or even dip down again to the SMA. But this was ideal for my two swings. I still haven't been able to get out of Office Depot though. Piece of shit. And this is today. Man, it is a snooze fest. This is not what we trade. I did take two trades today, and I'll get into those, and it looks like I'll be swinging one. But up, down, up, down, up, down, and it's gradual grind higher. Tiny candles, that means the trend is not strong. This is just boring. There's really no entry. There's been a few stocks that literally just grinded up all day and would have been able to make money on, like MU, Nvidia, UAL. These stocks just grinded higher. But that's not really my setup. I could have hopped in, but there's no clear entry point, and I would just be trusting that the stock's going to keep grinding, and I don't trust the market right now. What if two huge red candles just wipes out everything? So this is the day, the M5 on the SPY, nothing too crazy. And so let me get into the trades I took. Already talked about RCL, DAL. Literally it was a gap up with the green candle, and I closed them, which was good. I was gonna scale out, but look at I was happy already. Come on, this puts me almost to my daily goal in the first 5 minutes of the day. And that just feels good, builds confidence, and kept me patient because I know I need to preserve my profits and stuff. So probably kept me safe today. Let's see. So 3 trades I took are Save, FCX, and Netflix. I'll do Netflix. This one was a quick scalp. Looks like I can't get into the trades. Hold on. I've traded Netflix like before when I was trying to momentum trade, like before relative strength and stuff, so I know how it could get out of hand. One candle today was like $7. I definitely didn't want to get stuck in that. But I'll show you. Scalp. That's it. I saw these stacked red candles. SPY, I'm not sure. SPY was also putting up red candles, and I wanted to take just a quick move. Any sign of not another stacked red candle, I was happy to get out. I only took one contract, like I said, cost $1,700, so it could get away from you pretty quickly. So it took a little $30, a little base hit, something to keep me excited, keep me engaged. But after that, I didn't take any more trades because look at that. That's right at the bottom. Imagine if I held and didn't have a plan to keep it a quick scalp. I would be in for a lot of pain right now. So that's Netflix. Nothing crazy in there for like a minute or 5 minutes or something. FCX, this stock was super strong. When I looked at it, let's check out the daily. Always start with the daily. This is in the basic materials sector. There's a lot of strength in it today. Look at this green candle right here. Why I got into it. Let's see. Above all SMAs, gapped up with the market, and by the time I got into it, I think it already filled this gap from back January 19th or so, and then it didn't really pop off or anything like I wanted it to, so I just got out. I felt like I was trading chop, which is my number one rule, not to trade chop. I think the stock's still a good pick, and I may look for some sort of continuation. A couple reasons why I think it's a good pick is, oh my god, it's broken, guys. It's broken. Let's see. Can we do a trend line here? Sorry, guys. Looks like it's gonna fucking break in the middle of recording. Oh, nice. Okay. We're just gonna skip that, man. I can tell you that the daily on all of my trades today were looking nice. Let me do a little audible here. See if I can go to TOS. Can I switch to TOS? Trade that. TOS. SPY. Sorry for the delay, guys. FCX. Here we go. Let's look at the daily, of course. Bear with me. This is the daily. You can see it pulled back with the market here. But I liked the fact that a couple days ago, it broke out this steep kind of downward sloping trend line. But I liked yesterday, blew through that SMA, filled this gap here, and today the continuation, the strength continued. So, and I liked how it filled this gap. So tomorrow I'm gonna look for a continuation on it as well. Let's see if we could go to the weekly. We are getting to like a little bit of resistance zone right here. We got like a dollar to go before we even get to that point. But we'll see what happens when it gets to this level up here. But it all starts and ends with the market. The market was doing nothing today, and I didn't trust it, so I got out basically break even. Let's see, what else did we trade today? Save. This was relative strength. Come on, man. I'm so tired. I'm not out of it yet. I got 2 contracts. I think this should come around with any sort of market movement. Let's go to save. And I'm not sure what sector the airlines are in. I would check, but option stalker's down. So let's go to the daily. This is a daily, been below all the SMAs, but today it broke the last major one. Huge gap up 3 or 4 days ago. Continuation, stacked green candles. Well, these are overlapped, but today a lot of strength. Volume is dropping here, but tomorrow we'll look to see if we can maintain above this SMA and try to take profits on that. But the market might give us some trouble. But my contracts expire in March, so I do have some time on that. This is the weekly. we broke through this kind of like minor resistance here, and then of course on the daily we broke the SMA. So that's why I liked it, and I got in with 2 contracts. If the market did anything today, I'm thinking the trade would have came in. I actually could have got out for like a $30 profit, but I couldn't get filled. So we'll see what happens. Right now I'm down 25 on it. I'm not too worried about it. I got time. Let's go back, and then that's pretty much it, guys. Quick day, super boring after the open. And I did open MOS. I guess I'll go into that. I think I bought 50 shares of MOS. I think MOS is energy. Let's go to the daily. This is the daily. I think it's blue skies. So broke this resistance here at this level, above all SMAs. I liked yesterday, I had a little hammer here, but with no market help, I mean, it's putting up a red day. So we'll see. And I have shares, so I'm not against time decay or anything like that. So if I really wanted, I could hold this forever. I did go in half size, so I have like 50 shares on that, and we'll see what we can get out of it in the next week or two. But same thing with the daily, guys. Over SMAs, top right corner. There were other trades to take today, but I didn't like the dailies, or I didn't like what the market was doing. So if I'm able to stay out of trouble, things look. It simplifies things. If the market's not giving you what you want, you don't have to stress. You don't have to, or I don't have to stress. I don't have to oh, this ticker, that ticker, that ticker. Like, just chill, take it slow, take a breather. Pete always says, like, slow down. And I think it really helps. These past few days on SPY have just been in consolidation until today. And, I don't think it's an easy market to trade in, and we're having green days. So patience is paying off. I know I have a long way to go, but I'm hitting my target. I'm keeping my win rate high. I'm super focused this week. But I know in my mind the market will slap the shit out of me if I get out of line. So that's it for today, guys. That's episode 23. I hope you guys kept it green. I hope you guys are doing well. Again, leave some comments below if I could help with anything, one novice to another. Like, subscribe, and if you guys want to share my channel with other people, that's cool too. Real Day Trading has thousands of members, and I got maybe 100 of you guys here. So if I can help more people, that'd be great. But y'all take it easy. Look out for episode 24 tomorrow. See ya.